Hello and welcome back. So today I'm announcing a new giveaway. So just a massive thank you to everyone that's subscribed to my channel. It's absolutely mind-bending the amount of people that have subscribed to the channel, and the fact that it just keeps going up and up and up and up. Really, it's just awesome. I absolutely love it. I keep expecting to hit some sort of ceiling where there are no more coin collectors left in the world that to find and subscribe to my channel. So a massive thank you to all. A massive thank you to everyone that likes the videos, comments the videos, sends me messages on all of the social medias, sends stuff into the PO box, comes down to the Royal Mint to say hi. It's absolutely awesome, and I thoroughly enjoy it. Before we get into my new giveaway though, I still have one prize for my, was it my 30k subscriber giveaway? I've still got one silver proof, and of course it's poor Benjamin Bunny. Nobody wanted Benjamin Bunny, so apologies for the fourth place winner who didn't get into contact with me, but I've got to give this away. I can't keep this under my bed much longer. So without further ado, I'm going to pick the winner of that one. Now, how do I do this again? I think I just get the comments, don't I? That's the video. That's the 30,000 subscriber giveaway video. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 7, 8, 9. Wow, there were lots of comments here, weren't there? 1,010 unique comments. I'll just scroll down here, don't I, and start. So, I'll cross my fingers. Apologies for those of you that joined after I hit 30,000 subscribers. The amount of people that subscribed since then has been awesome, but I do need to get rid of this prize, so good luck to those of you that entered all that time ago. The winner is none other than Jamie Bloomberg. Wow, this is a comment and a half, isn't it? I just recently visited the Royal Mint, as I have been watching your videos for a long time now and have subscribed also quite a while ago. When I watched your video when you had just recently been to the Royal Mint, I was all excited, as I have always annoyed my parents to take, oh, I lost where I was now, to take me, and now just last week I went. I loved the bits where you go into the factory and you see all the coins being made from other countries too, and how some countries want theirs in metal cans or cardboard boxes, as they like their shipments that way. When I was there, I saw them do a coin spill, which the lady said it will look like it's raining sparkles. Also, oh my goodness, when you go in the factory, it's very interesting to see how they make a coin, and how at first it's a big thick rectangular piece of metal which is cut down very thin before but this is someone that definitely took notes. I'm going to scroll past, otherwise we're going to be here all night reading this comment. But thank you so much for your comment. I really like watching your videos and have entered some other of your giveaways before, but sadly never ever won. Thank you, and don't stop doing your videos. I really like them. Thank you so much for that. But yes, so I will, if you can contact me, Jamie Bloomberg, contact me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Discord. That's the best place to contact me. I'll then verify that you are who you say you are. I've had people in the past try and claim a prize. It's foolproof the way I verify that you are the winner. And yeah, so don't try and pretend to be Jamie Bloomberg. If Jamie Bloomberg doesn't get into contact with me in the next fortnight, we'll have to redraw for another winner. So get into contact with me quick. So the next giveaway then. A while ago, Cambridgeshire Coins sent me these awesome Beatrix Potter books, which you can see go around their edge, all the way from 2016 up to 2018. It's a lovely book. I covered it in one of my videos a while ago, but we actually got quite lucky. We got quite a few of them, didn't we? And I've still got my copy of this. So we've got 3 books for 3 winners, but that doesn't seem quite enough. The very kind GooRoo Coins sent in some hand-painted coins into the PO box, and I really liked them, and you guys really liked them. So I promoted them a bit more, and he kindly sent me some more of them as well, and then sent me even more to give away to subscribers. So massive thank you to GooRoo Coins. If you're interested, GooRoo Coins is on eBay, and I've seen GooRoo Coins posting on Facebook as well, so if you're interested in them, head over to GooRoo Coins. Again, I'm not sponsored by them. I don't get any monetary incentive for sending you over to there, but I'll just show you. I've got 5. And I think that's how we're going to split them. So a 2017 and a 2018, we've got Tom Kitten and Miss Tittlemouse. Look at the colouring, isn't that just awesome? Mrs. Tittlemouse being my favourite 2018, my favourite Beatrix Potter design, to be fair. We'll do the Tailor of Gloucester with Mrs. Tiggywinkle. Again, beautiful colouring, isn't it? And we'll do Flopsy Bunny, because Team Flopsy won, as a special on its own. And I'll also chuck in 3 of my very own Christopher Collects tokens, which are available at www.christophercollects.co.uk if you're not a lucky winner. But there we go. So 1 or 2 Beatrix Potters, a Beatrix Potter album, and a Christopher Collects token as well. Let's pop that down there. Keep that in shot. If I was a professional, I wouldn't have popped it away. So the way it'll work, you will have... Oh, they also come with these as well. Little information slips. And I'll send you a postcard for the Royal Mint as well. I stocked up on postcards last time I was up there. Speaking of the Royal Mint though, I do have my next Royal Mint trip planned. I'm going on the 9th of November. It's a Saturday. I'm going to stay the Friday night. I might come a bit early on the Friday, depending if I can get the day off work or afternoon off work. I'm going to stay the Friday night, do the Royal Mint tour on the Saturday at 1 o'clock. So do feel free to book that tour. The spaces went very, very quickly last time. I think the tour before ours, during ours, and the one after ours was pretty fully booked. So if you're in the area planning your trip to get the new Wallace and Gromit Strike your own, do come and say hi, because I'd be more than happy to meet even more of you than we did last time. Absolutely made my weekend. It was a fantastic weekend I had. But I'm rambling now, I'm getting off track. So what do you need to do to enter then? So all you need to do, leave me a question down in the comments. I haven't asked for questions for a while because I had a massive backlog of questions because I use them for my Q&A videos. So lots of you that keep asking, how do I get a question to you for Q&A? How do I get you to answer my question in the Q&A? Well, this is how you do it. Enter a question down in the comments section. It doesn't have to be a question. I will hasten to add if someone leaves a statement, which the problem is someone could leave could leave 3 questions and then also, thank you for doing the giveaway separately. And the thank you could be picked, and then actually they've asked questions, so if I disallow them for the competition, then it's not fair. So it doesn't have to be a question, but I prefer if you did ask me a question. Ideally not some of the top 10 questions I get asked all of the time. So those of you that watch many of my Q&As, what's your favourite coin, least favourite coin, what would you design a coin? Maybe not even coin related. If you want to know a bit about me, obviously some things will be off limits. Leave me a question and I'll be sure to answer it in due course in the 10p Q&A videos. This competition will be live for a fortnight. So you've got 2 weeks to enter this. It'll close at midnight 2 weeks time, and I'll draw it on the Saturday or Sunday following closing it. I'll let you guys know close to the time, but don't spam the comment section of all my other videos. When are you going to draw the video? When are you going to draw the winner? I'll put it in the description. The weekend after the videos, the what's it called? Q&A closes. The giveaway closes. That following weekend, the winner will be up before my live stream. I'll add, it'll be before my live stream on that weekend, assuming I'm live streaming. I don't plan not to. But yeah, the live stream will be as usual. Even the weekend I go to the Royal Mint, I've got a lot to cram in before that weekend. So fingers crossed, if there isn't a World Coin video that week, that could be potentially why. But I'm aiming to have one. I've just got to work a bit extra these next 2 weeks before I get to the Royal Mint. But as ever, just a massive thank you to everyone again that has subscribed. It absolutely is a joy in my life to make these videos, to see the comments, to, as I said, now just meeting you guys down at the Royal Mint. It absolutely blows my mind. Some really, really nice people, but also the other coin tubers that have sprung up as well. We are very, very lucky to have such a positive sort of community that's built around the UK coin collecting now, and I've met lots of you that make the videos. Lots of you come down to the Royal Mint, or I've chatted on Discord, or I've chatted on different social medias, and you're all brilliant people, and I highly recommend all the people that I've been working with in the collaboration videos this last fortnight. We've got a couple of other collaboration videos planned for next year, so I cannot wait There's a whole bunch of cool stuff that's coming your way courtesy of myself and the other coin tubers. So a massive thank you to all of them, and they're all hitting 1,000 subscribers now, so a massive thank you to all of you that go over and support them as well. It really does build this community in a really, really positive way. Other notes, I think I mentioned it in a previous video, but I'll mention it again now. 1st of November, so actually very, very soon, my Christmas jumpers will be up. So again, that's something that was requested on the live streams. A Christmas jumper, Christmas merch with some description. So 1st of November, you'll see my Christmas jumper. The very lovely Duvetto who designed it and absolutely smashed it out of the park. And early next year, my next Christopher Collects token will be out. And I cannot wait because the design on that is superb. And it's just this evening I'm recording. I'm recording this the day before it goes up. The company that makes the tokens and the packaging, I was a bit worried about how intricate the design was, and they said, nope, it's a goer, we love it, we're going to make it for you. So hopefully early next year, a new Christopher Collects token. But I think that is far too much of me prattling on. I've got a bit excited making this video just to being able to thank you guys and talk about some of the things that are up and coming in this next year. So all I will do now, as ever, is thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting, contacting me, being absolutely amazing, positive people that you are. I hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you next time for more coins. Bye.